Let's check out this absolutely awesome GT3 mini drone. So this is what the box of it looks like. By the way, if you're looking to get this drone, I'll leave a special discount link where you can get it for only a bit over $10. So you see, this is actually what I paid for mine on AliExpress. So again, if you want to get the best deal on it, simply check out the special discount links in the description and comments. So actually I have used this drone already for a few weeks, and let's check out what we actually get inside the box. Okay, so inside the box we actually get fairly decent packaging, then also a bunch of manuals here and how to use your drone. By the way, also when it comes to different model names, this drone actually comes under different names such as D16, V66 and I1 Pro. But again, these are all the same drones, just from maybe different sellers. So again, they really are identical and produced in the same factory really. So again, there isn't a difference between them. So first we actually get our drone in the packaging. So this is the size of it. When it comes to weight, this one weighs 68 grams only, so it's very lightweight essentially. So you see we have decent camera on the front over here, and also we have a secondary camera on the bottom over here as well. We have on-off switch over here. And once you turn it on, the camera will like go up and down to test itself. We have our battery over here. If you want to remove it, you can slide like this. So this is the capacity, and it can be charged using a Type-C over here. So simply plug it in. So when it comes to runtime, from my experience, it lasts around 5 to 6 minutes, and to charge it, it takes a bit over 1 hour basically. We have our crash detection sensors on each side as well, so it can sense if it goes near a wall. It basically like it won't crash itself. Also, you see the design is incredibly nice on this drone, so when you actually fly and were to crash somewhere, basically again it's really impossible to actually damage this drone, because again the propellers are very well protected. Again, even if you crash somewhere, the drone will still continue flying compared to other drones. So again, the design really is top class on this drone. So inside the box we also get our charger here, so to charge a battery, also a bunch of spare blades and your like blade ejector tool here as well. And then finally our remote control. So this is what the remote looks like compared to the drone. So yeah. Also the remote quality also is actually surprisingly decent. At this price I wasn't actually expecting this kind of decent quality. The response time is very good on this remote. Yeah, basically how you control, again, yeah, everything is actually top class on this remote if you compare to other. So if you want to pair your remote with your drone, simply push it up and down, and then you see it gets paired and basically constant blue. As you see, we also have extremely nice lighting here as well. By the way, we can change these styles a bit, I think, as well on this drone. Personally, I do not care much about that. Yeah, so also when it comes to overall look, yeah, this also looks incredibly nice. So we can basically start up our drone, so normal way, and fly it off. So On the remote we have our automatic takeoff function, also landing feature. So again, if you press this, the drone will launch itself in air, and also basically press it again, it will land itself, which is absolutely amazing. So with this we can basically control this direction, so we can turn it basically by doing this and this, and then basically with this joystick we can move it forward, backward, like this and this. We have more fine tuning options over here, speed control adjustment over here. So this is a rollover feature. So if you click this and then push it like this, your drone will essentially flip itself in air, which is very cool. And then also all camera adjustments, as you see, if I press this, I can adjust basically the angle of my camera as well. So that's pretty cool as well. Also inside the box we have this phone holder here as well, so we can essentially put our phone inside. So when it comes to the app, so it uses this Wi-Fi UAV app. So yeah, basically, so once you like launch it and download, we can go over here, and this drone essentially creates a Wi-Fi network. So we simply connect to the Wi-Fi network, and then as you see, once we start, yeah, basically it automatically like pairs itself, and it's a very good system over here. So we can take our phone like this and mount basically inside here, so we can see what's actually happening. And also we can also like control our drone using the phone here as well. So we have like takeoff, landing button here as well. So you see, if I press this. Oh, also one more thing, you actually have to unpair basically if you want to basically fly with your phone app and not the remote, you actually have to unpair it first basically. So you see, let's turn it off and turn it back on. So again, you can't actually use both at the same time. So okay, you have to basically repair it again, connect it again. Okay, start. So you see it's working, and now if you actually turn on this, so you see I can like control basically my drone using my phone app here as well. So yeah, then it works. So literally you literally have to turn it off and then basically switch to the phone if you want to basically switch the controls. If I try to control my drone now, as you see, basically I can't control it. So again, you can only control either with the phone or also the remote control, so only one at the same time. And yeah, you can also record your video over here as well, so very easily also take a picture, and also, for example, we can also see your recordings as well. And this is a video quality when you actually record the video. So you see, for the price it's probably acceptable. Definitely when you actually compare with other drones at this price, this definitely has actually a better camera than other drones, but still obviously it's not still very high-end, but just for basic stuff kind of okay, so can't really complain much. And overall, is this drone actually any good, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, out of all cheap drones, I think this is really the best out there. So really no other drone actually comes close to this. So when you consider the extremely good build quality, so you see it's actually properly finished everywhere, also very durable. So in the weeks I have had it, again, I have dropped it basically like probably like 100 times and crashed somewhere. So again, so it simply keeps on going, so it's pretty much like impossible to damage this drone in any way. So again, we have proper blade guards. So again, unlike on other drones, again, this is pretty much, yeah, like top class durability on the drone. Also the controls are very good from the remote control. The drone is very stable as well in the air compared to other cheap drones. So again, when it comes to the performance, really this is like absolutely amazing drone. So for this price, I really have no idea how why it's even so good. So definitely it's definitely worth way more than the price basically suggests on this drone. When it comes to negatives, really, I think the only negative about this drone is the extremely slow charging speeds of the battery. So it literally takes a bit over 1 hour basically to charge up the battery. So you essentially like fly it around for like 5 or 6 minutes, and then you have to wait like over 1 hour basically to charged up before you can fly. But again, maybe you can simply purchase additional battery on this drone, and that basically bypasses that limit essentially. But apart from that, really, for this price, it's absolute bargain of essentially, really. So again, if you want to get the best deal on this drone, simply check out the special discount links in the description. So literally only, again, a bit over only $10 on AliExpress. So AliExpress probably is the cheapest place where you can get this. Again, this price also is with free shipping obviously as well. So That's really all you pay. Solidly over only a bit $10 for this drone, and what you get, that's absolutely insane. Anyway, good luck.